Mr. N. Krishnamurthy, our Joint General Secretary and Centralized Jagdish, my gurus, rather who has inspired me to take this journey in the trade union movement, whom I have seen from the distance and got myself encouraged to take this path. M.N. Sundaramanna, Ballu Saab, and Sudhakar Shetty. I am a bit unfortunate when Mr. Rajagopal was there. I was not in the bank. I joined in the bank only in 1986. So I doesn't have an opportunity to be in the organization when he was leading the show. And our former senior executives, present senior executives, and my members and friends, brothers and sisters. In the same hall, people used to say you are taking hours to deliver any speech, but today I am indeed searching for words, because in my life it is a very important moment. Such a great organization which was conceived to be started in 1966, that's what our history says. When I was 5 years old, that time, somebody who got the wisdom, they started to organize, they thought of organizing such a big organization. They also might not have thought that it is going to have the membership of 22,000 from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and having 94.5% of the total officers as members of this organization. This kind of celebration, whether it is an annual day or Silver Jubilee Day or Golden Jubilee Day, this kind of days are celebrated only to remember the contribution of the leaders and our elders. If you look at it, it should start from our founder. I was just going through his founding principles, except only one. We love to inculcate the habit of thrift and saving. All the other founding principles it is formed with the vision that how to develop the society. Perhaps because of this only, so this bank was, though this bank was started a very humble way, today it is able to sustain undergoing or confronting or braving various ups and downs in the industry. Even today, among the 5 banks which were branded as acquirer banks, among the State Bank of India or Punjab National Bank or Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank is the only South Indian based bank which is branded as an acquirer bank. And when compared with pictures and figures, our bank is performing better than any other bank, even to compare with the State Bank of India. Sorry to our MD, because it was his previous bank. So there is the strength of this bank. It is only because of, I should say with the thanks, the founding principles, our great founder, Mr. Subbarao Pai, has done that. And to recall the contribution of the yesterday leaders, amazing. People used to say that 1983, this association almost gone. And that was the time, again because of the leaders with the wisdom, it has emerged as a phoenix bird. And today, we are next to State Bank of India Office Association in number in this country. So, I would like to express my sincere gratitude and thanks to all the senior people who have contributed or who have guided us to develop this organization. And it is very easy now to enroll the membership or run the show. But at that time, 1966, even before nationalization, somebody thought that if we should start an organization, that organization should be exclusively for the officers. That's what the biggest thing. Because those period, there might not have been any direct recruit officers. All might have been recruited as a clerk only. Those clerks were the members of the employees union, must have been, because there was no office association, officers union. That was the time the officers who were promoted from the cadres of the clerk, who were members of the employees union, they thought we should have a separate organization for the officers. And when they decided to start the organization, they wanted to keep this organization a apolitical organization. Perhaps the thought has come at that point of time itself, institution is very important for us. That is the reason that they thought they started the organization with such kind of principles. I joined in 86, as I told that. My first biennial conference was in Madurai, 1990. That was the first time, of course not near, from the distance I could hear and see our leader's speech, Mr. Gajanan Rao and Mr. Sudhakar Shetty. And I was really wondering that how these people are able to run the show and command these number of officers. At that point of time, Mr. Gajanan Rao was telling that you just see our logo, CBOA. The Canara Bank is standing on the legs of OA. So, OA has to take care of the Canara Bank also. Sir, we the juniors today, we want to give an assurance to you. What with the principles you started, that officers associations should hold the upcoming of the Canara Bank. Even today, we are holding it. And we are all committed to see that this bank is flourishing. Sir, to quote some of the statistics now. See, of course, you have seen so many changes in the industry. Though reforms started in 1990, the real reform started now only. All the other changes took place in the industry. It was only organic developments took place. It will not say that somebody is forced to change the industry. Somewhere some private institution was started. Somewhere there was an attempt to convert this public sector bank into private sector bank. That was the issue. Otherwise, not much changes took place in the industry. Now only it is happening. And in between, because of these changes, our business has gone down. And somewhere in 2013 Jan, our total business was only 5.45 lakh crores. That point of time, our administration has told our association, see, it is very much necessary for the institution like ours, which was commanding the banking field. You are having efficiency, and if association thinks you can definitely develop the bank, this assurance, this management wanted from us. We the officers, we also gave the commitment, because institution is very dear to us. That is what we learned from our former office bearers and former leaders. We gave an assurance, or we will do that. From 2013 June onwards, this association, all the youngsters, they have joined just then without even experience. They were all posted to the remote rural branches, but still associations encourage them to go on to work for, because it is our institution. Within 9 months, we crossed 6 lakh crore business. Within this 2.5 years, today we are more than 8 lakh crore business, on par with any other bank. And not only that, sir, and profit wise also, we are no less than any other bank. Of course, days are challenging. We also know that. As I told in the beginning, now only the real reforms started. The government of India has announced that the non-performing bank, the bank which is not generating sufficient profit to meet the capital adequacy, they will not be getting the capital infusion. Though it appears as an illogical stand, the stand was taken by the government of India. But we, the only Canara Bank, never has shown any loss in this entire presence during the last 110 years. We took it as a challenge. It will not happen to us, sir. So that is a commitment we have taken. All our young officers, numbering our 14,500, they have given their life during this past 3 years. Various parts of the country they went without even experience and exposure. They were ready to take the responsibility, and they ensured that today our bank is considered as one of the top 5 acquirer bank. So, sir, in the days to come also, it is going to be challenging, but I know our boys are ready to brave the challenges. And earlier, the system was the people used to be recruited over a period. So, we the seniors, though I put 30 years of service in this bank, still I have got my senior to guide me. But in another 5 years, this bank is going to face a situation. More than 80% of the workforce, more than 90% of the officers who joined in the bank after 2009 only. Actually, we don't have a time. Even if we want to educate these youngsters to work for the bank, we the seniors don't have time. Within 5 years, we will have to educate. Similarly, our youngsters also, within 5 years, they will have to learn the values of the bank. It is very big a challenge in front of us. But compared to any other bank, compared to any other organization members, my members, 14,500 young souls who are below 30, they have already learned, and they are ready to take up any of the responsibility, whether it's institutional responsibility or the organization responsibility. So in the days to come, These boys will take care of the bank. This assurance on behalf of the biggest, the second biggest officers organization, I would like to give it our MD. And sir, as I told that this is in our blood, we will not leave it. And in the days to come, we will all see that our bank again, because ours was when I joined in 1986, our bank was the first one to introduce the credit cards. Our bank was the first one to introduce the subsidiaries. Many of the innovations our bank has only done that. In between there might have been some setback, but again we have come. The only challenge what we were facing was that inexperienced officers with the digitalization. That question now it is not coming. All our officers are today academically qualified, academic excellence are there, with which they will be able to face any kind of challenges, including the challenges posed by the any private bank, sir. And to send this message throughout the country, we are planning to conduct this program all over the country. We divided the country into 10 zones. This is the inaugural session. In another 9 places all over the country, it is going to be inaugurated. To give the respect to our founder, to ensure this, bringing back this, our founding principles, the tagline of the Golden Jubilee, we told that empowering the evergreen initiatives, because we feel very strongly the founding principles of our founder, it is only saving us even to be strong even during these days. So this empowering evergreen initiative, with which this bank has shown a tremendous growth over the period, it will be educated to all our cadres throughout the country in the another 9 program. And once again I am repeating, I will ensure, we will ensure, CBOI will ensure both the Canara Bank and the Canara Bank Office Association will be ruling this financial world. All the best to you. Thank you very much, sir.
Canara Bank Officers Association will be ruling the financial world. A leader creates leaders, not followers. That was our vibrant General Secretary addressing the entire gathering. Thank you very much, sir. May I take this opportunity to invite our MD and CEO, sir, Shri Rakesh Sharma, to give us the inaugural address.
Chairman, Canara Bank Officers Association, Shri G.V. Manimaran, General Secretary, Canara Bank Officers Association, and Director on the Canara Bank Board, Shri Jagdish, Joint General Secretary, Shri all the other members of Canara Bank Officers Associations, retired GMs, the presidents, chairmen of the association, retired GMs, and the other office bearers and the other officers, retired officers of Canara Bank who are present here, and my colleagues, the Canara Bank family members, ladies and gentlemen, real good evening to you, to all of you. And although belated, we have, they wish you very, very happy and prosperous New Year. Happy Pongal, happy Makar Sankranti to all of you. So, it's a real pleasure for me to be here. Although little bit I am feeling guilty here, there's a lot of, so many officers, they have to stand. I think the hall is so small. And this shows, while the hall is small, but the followings of the Canara Bank Officers Association, the chairman, the general secretary, so many officers are there, and they are prepared to stand and listen to all the office bearers, see the program. I am really delighted and thrilled to see all of you. It's a real great pleasure. But as I was discussing with Mr. Manimaran, I think we should have some bigger hall. So bigger hall, because now once the family is growing, the family is becoming bigger, so we should have some bigger space also. I think let us discuss. Maybe since Mr. Manimaran is there in the board also, we'll have to take a decision. I think we need a bigger hall for all of you. But let me assure you, although the space is small, but you all are in our heart. So you live in our heart, and welcome to all of you. And my heartiest congratulations on this Golden Jubilee celebrations. And thank you very much for inviting me on this function. In fact, I am here for the last 1 hour. And I was really delighted to see the energy, the participation. I was thrilled, the way the officers. I was in fact asking Mr. Manimaran whether they are all professionals or they are from our officers team. He said, no, they are all our officers. So lot of talent we have. What a great talent! The energy they showed. Like as he was telling, this organization, with the strength of more than 22,000 officers, maybe next to State Bank of India Officers Association, and this association, I am also really happy that this association is affiliated to IBOC. And when I was in SBI, I was also the Officers Association member till I think 2004, and that association was also affiliated to IBOC only. So that way I am also part of your organization. So I feel not only Canara Bank but also part of your organization. And as your chairman was saying, it's easy to create an organization, but to nurture it, that's rather difficult job. So this organization, which started in 1966 and has been progressing for continuously for 50 years, and every year the strength is improving. And in fact, why I really feel happy, in fact, wherever I go in the circles, the Officers Association, they have recently created one association called Ken Paul, and the type of activities they participate, it gives lot of pride to the institution. That such type of activities, not only they are working for the organization, they are working for not only they are working for Canara Bank Officers Association, they are working for the bank, they are working for the society, they are doing some social activities, CSR activities, and they feel pleasure, so much energy they are showing. Maybe the total credit goes to the leadership, which is who themselves, both of them are having real energy. So when I was seeing the program, I was thinking, the type of energy, what a light environment it is there. What should I discuss here? In fact, it's basically a occasion for celebration. And when this celebration is going on, let us discuss only those issues which are very light. But since we are bankers, so maybe sometimes we have to discuss the numbers also. And the type of energy that motivated me, when they can have so much energy, why this energy, if this energy is used towards the development of the bank, of course it is being used, then we can really do wonders. And you remember, the period of when Mr. Ratnakar was the chairman, I think as Mr. Manimaran said, we used to be number one. All those initiatives, maybe the other banks would not have thought of those initiatives, starting subsidiary, starting credit card, and all various types of initiatives. Those were that time thought of by Canara Bank. So the Canara Bank is pioneer in many ways. And then till I think 2005-06 also, the Canara Bank used to be number one in all respects. I was told by one of my colleagues in when I was in my previous organization, that there was a big board here, and they used to write one big one, and first in deposits, first in advances, first in profit, first in so many things. So such type of organization it was there. So it carries that pride. And why it should not carry? Because another good thing which I find here, whenever we start any program, we first pay homage and respect to our founder. And whatever we are doing after taking his blessings. So his blessings always give us the strength, and we always get the motivation to do all good things. So this is how in all areas we have been number one. And even now, like as he said, Canara Bank is one of the banks which has been identified by the Government of India as the acquirer bank, and one of those 5 banks. So that is how, in fact, I also come here because Government of India, they wanted, chairman to be, MD to be recruited for the 5 top institutions. So because Canara Bank is one of those 5 top institutions. So in that process, I also came here. It's a proud and privilege for me having joined Canara Bank. And I thank you all for, for giving me so much warm reception. So I feel myself lucky to be here. So now having said that, let's discuss some other things also. When at 2005-6 we were number 1. Even in March 2011, if 2011, 10 and 11, if you see, our net profit was 4,000 crore. And before that, in fact, it was 4,500 crore profit. And we were number 1 in all respects. Today also, the bank has good strength and it enjoys one of the top 5 positions. But today what we say, one of the top 5 positions. We may be among the nationalized banks. Today maybe we are not number 1. Sometimes what happens, like when we are number 1, we are doing exceedingly well, our staff is so talented, committed, but we feel that nobody can defeat us and we become complacent. So that complacency sometimes creates some issues. So maybe due to that complacency, or maybe the others, our competitors, they have started running faster than us, or they have started working harder than us, and they have occupied much better position. When it's now it's an era of digitalization. It is era of total sales culture. It's era of privatization. When it is there, so everybody wants us to be more aggressive, to be more forward looking, to be more customer friendly, more customer centric, and very fast in response, and with very good sales culture. In fact, some of the customers, they have given me feedback saying that we go to Canara Bank, they give excellent service, but somehow they have the products, they have various products, hundreds of, in fact in your IT, the very good thing, in fact, if you see, in IT we have hundreds of products, and all these products, while the other banks, including my previous bank, State Bank of India, they have taken help from various other organizations and developed those products. But all these products in Canara Bank have been developed by our in-house team. Excellent products. But somehow, I think we have not been able to market this properly. We have all the products with us. We have,